Hello and welcome to my video, lesson 2.1 for standard versus reference angles. So the deal here is basically that a standard angle, which we'll be using green for, the standard angle is the distance going around in a unit circle, or basically the angle from the positive x-axis going around to whatever point or to the terminal arm. So that's going this way around the counterclockwise direction around the graph or the unit circle. And so whatever angle is given there, that is our standard angle. So let's say maybe in this case it's 150 degrees. So that would be our standard angle. Whereas our reference angle in blue is the shortest and smallest angle from the terminal arm. So that's this arm over here maybe. Maybe I can do that in orange. So this here is the terminal arm. Okay, coming over here. Okay, so that terminal arm, the shortest distance to the x-axis. So if it's in this position, then it would be this distance here. So it would be, if the other part was 150, this would be 30. All right, so this is the reference angle. This is the reference angle, whereas this is the standard angle. All right, so that's good. So we have some idea here. The challenge comes when you're starting to look at some examples and you're trying to figure out what is the reference angle or what is the standard angle, and you're given the other one. So what I always recommend here is you draw it out. Draw out the situation, just like I did here. So for example, if I tell you that the reference angle is 20 degrees, and it's in the, I guess we can give the quadrants here. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, so this is in the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. So this is in the third quadrant, and the reference angle is 20 degrees. Then what you can say is, or I guess I could do that in blue. The reference angle is 20 degrees. Then what you can say is that the standard angle, remember that's going from here all the way around to here, is 180, right? That's the first part here. This part here is 180, right? 180 plus the 20 degrees. So 180 plus the 20 degrees. So this is 200 degrees. Okay, so the real trick here is you draw it out, okay? So the reference angle, I'm just going to try to point it out one more time. The reference angle, if it's in the third quadrant, it's going to go this way up. If it's in the second quadrant, it's going to go this way down. If it's in the fourth quadrant, it's going to go this way up. If it's in the first quadrant, it's going to go this way down. The reason why it's going the shortest, smallest angle to the terminal, to the x-axis. All right. So yeah, I think that gives some good idea. Please try out this. I'm going to say that the standard angle is let's go with 290 degrees. So what is the reference angle? So I'm just going to give you this. What is the reference angle? Please pause the video and try this out for yourself. Okay, I really hope you tried this out on your own, because this is key. You have to draw it on your own every single time. That's what I recommend. So roughly speaking, it's going to be somewhere around here. So 290 goes all the way around until here. The reason why I know it's 290 is my reference, my quote-unquote other references, or reference angles, or whatever you want to call it. We know that this is 0, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, and this is back to 360. So that's why I know that this is going to be between 270 and 360. Anyways, so that means our reference angle is right in here. This is our reference angle. So if it's 290, then basically we're asking ourselves, so 360 minus 290, and we get 70 degrees. Okay, another way you could do it is you could take a look at, well, if it's 270 is the regular and it's 290, this is 20, so you could go 90 minus 20 is 70. So however makes you feel most comfortable, but the reference angle here is 70 degrees. All right, I hope this video helps you understand standard versus reference angles a little bit better. Good luck.